10 things the rich do that the poor don't have. You ever wonder why two people can start with the same paycheck, but 5 years later, one is drowning in debt while the other's living stress-free? It's not always about luck, education, or even hard work. It's about the habits, the little daily decisions that quietly separate the rich from everyone else. Today we're breaking down 10 things the rich do that the poor don't. And by the end, you'll know exactly which ones you can start doing today. Because truth is, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one choice at a time. So grab a notebook, because if you take these 10 lessons seriously, you might look back in a few years and realize this video changed your life. 1. They pay themselves first. Before paying bills, before buying groceries, the rich save and invest a portion of every dollar. It's not what they earn, it's what they keep. Poor people wait to see what's left. Rich people decide first what to keep. That's the difference between survival and security. 2. They see money as a tool, not a reward. Most people think money's for spending. The rich see it as leverage, a way to buy freedom, time, and opportunities. They use money to make more money, not just to look rich. 3. They track every dollar. The poor often say, "I don't know where my money goes." The rich know exactly where it's going. They track it, analyze it, and adjust. Because what gets measured grows. 4. They read, learn, and study success. The average millionaire reads at least one book a month. Not novels, but books on money, mindset, and business. Poor people say, "I already know that." The rich say, "What else can I learn?" 5. They surround themselves with winners. Your income is the average of your 5 closest friends. If everyone around you is broke, negative, or lazy, guess what happens? Rich people intentionally build circles that push them to level up, because environment beats motivation every time. 6. They value time more than money. Poor people trade hours for dollars. Rich people buy back time by delegating, automating, or investing. They understand time is the only currency you can't earn back. 7. They take calculated risks. While most people fear losing money, the rich fear missing opportunities. They take smart risks, investments, business ideas, new skills. They fail fast, learn faster, and move on stronger. 8. They focus on multiple streams of income. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. A job might feed you, but it won't free you. They build side businesses, invest in real estate, dividend, stocks, or digital products, creating cash flow that works even when they don't. 9. They delay gratification. And poor people buy now and worry later. Rich people wait, save, and invest first. They don't chase status, they chase stability. That's why their money lasts longer. 10. They think long-term. While most people plan for Friday, the rich plan for decades. They think in 5-year, 10-year horizons. They ask, how will this decision affect me 10 years from now? That's how wealth compounds, not just in money, but in mindset. So here's the truth. You don't have to be born rich to think rich. If you start applying even 2 or 3 of these habits, your life will start to shift. Because wealth isn't a number in your bank account. It's a mindset. And if you're still watching this video, you already have what it takes to build it. Subscribe for more videos that help you grow your money and your mindset. Thank you. Shoo.